Sarah Ibrahim.
Kuna Sarah Ibrahim.
Sarah Ibrahim.
Yes.
Gathemba.
Oh, Gathemba.
Wow.
Yeye ni Ibrahim na kene Sarah.
How has been your marriage?
It has been amazing.
Wow. Okay.
Oh, he's such a darling.
Wow. Oh,
yeah.
Oh, and he gets home mapema.
He's the best husband.
Oh, wow.
We thank God.
Wow. And he takes you to
we just came from Dubai.
Oh, he has a passport.
With no passport.
Mutina muhetinera.
Hauna passport, babe.
Anaga.
We were using hers.
But you know, there are so many Dubais.
Yeah.
If you've been to Malindi,
The boys.
place.
Oh.
It's called Small Dubai.
Yeah.
All right.
That's the Dubai I was talking about.
It is the boys.
The bull shut up.
Okay. Are you guys
Bull is such a hater.
Yeah, he is. Today he has really punched on Ibrahim. So I was also asking. When are you guys planning to get kids? Is he romantic? Is a romantic Mkikuyu? You know,
Very. Oh my God! They say Kikuyu men are not romantic.
Guy.
But yours. They have not met mine.
UK.
And we saw there's a friend of an evangelist who was in UK. Evangelist Wangojiri brought him some black boxers. They came home from gifts.
Oh, so he was not lying. Yeah, I was asking where they came from.
Oh, how many were they?
Were they 5, babe?
Yeah, they were 5. Yeah, no, not Ginyatare.
Wow.
I'm wearing the for the second row today. Ndakirire muthenya ucio cia kinya wenye ungigikira Vietnam muthe ndira
Ndagitoro rekana neo
mutkiharia kamera.
No, we don't need to confirm.
So he's romantic.
He's very romantic.
Wow.
Oh my.
When are you guys adding? So you are not getting bored?
No,
even at night.
What's there to get bored about when you have the most romantic man in the world?
My goodness.
Adding a blush.
Wow.
You're asking about getting a baby?
Yes.
Plans are underway. We are just waiting for that term to end.
Oh, which term? One term.
Yeah, that term.
Tumetenga.
Tunangoja tutenge.
Nimeshamtengea watoto 3 baada ya miezi 6.
And where are you from? Which county?
I'm from Marsabit County.
Marsabit.
Yeah.
Oh, is it where the president said they will build a state house?
No, that's Wajir.
Yeah. But you are the same. Beautiful girls there.
Yeah, but you know we are very different.
Yeah.
Them, they are Somalis.
Yes.
For us, we are Boranas.
Borana.
For them, they are from Somaliland.
Yes.
From us, we are from the Ethiopia side.
Oh, Ethiopia.
Yeah.
Oh, Wagwan.
Haile Selassie.
Where Haile Selassie? We love you, Haile Selassie. Oh, now you are a Borana.
Wagwan.
And now Wagwan, in Marsabit, what are they saying about these terms that people are talking about?
To be honest, they care less. They just want development.
Okay.
They want someone who's truthful.
So far, are they having one?
To be honest, no.
So they're also listening to the ground.
Of course.
Borana wanasikiza ground.
Wanasikiza.
Haya, ukweli?
Masikio ziko chini. You know, by the way, niwaambie, for us from Marsabit County,
yes,
we were the people who benefited the most.
Yes.
From the Kibaki and Uhuru's government. Barabara huko. By the way, we should go for a road trip. We have the best roads.
Yes.
Lakini uliona babe?
Lakini sasa this government
hakuna kitu imeongezewa. Nothing.
Nothing agwan. So that's why you're listening to the ground there. Wanasema tam ni gani?
Hawajasema tam ni gani. Watu wanataka iishe, watu waende home.
I like that.
Watu waende nyumbani.
Niye na nyumba yako watu geta tumare.
You at your house.
Niye na nyumba yako ayothe.
Do you know how to speak a little Kikuyu?
Yeah, he's been teaching me.
Like which one?
Negwedete mono. See, he's romantic.
And money.
Dorehe besha.
Siasapa.
And when you want him to love you, jiggy in Kikuyu, you tell him what?
You know it won't sound romantic.
Oh, so you tell him in Borana.
Yeah.
In Borana you say what?
Babe, nakufeta.
Ni fete.
He's still learning.
And his stomach, are you complaining?
Oh my God, it's the best thing about him. What do you mean?
Kutia da afrati tamekoria.
The tummy is the most romantic.
Ebu imagine just lying there. Yeah, feeling it.
Babe, tell her.
Agatumia korwa kaba kugate andu mainuke. Atemetereire andu mainuke githura no gioke mabe mainukie.
Yeah, babe, tell her to bring our eyes we go home.
But you just said they are from Mia what?
Mia Dark. So for 100 we leave her.
Yeah, we leave 400.
Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, can the bride kiss the bridegroom?
You know, in the African culture,
yes, tell them, baby.
It's some things are meant to be done in the bedroom.
Oh, this is a studio. Yes.
And then there is no pastor here.
I know.
There is no church
There
here.
is padre.
There's padre.
That is a scavenger.
Nä å rerwo Gathemba kaä wanjia kå inama kaä mwä rä thakari atä å ranji gå ikara å kä cokagia hipu ä mwe na thutha nä rä mwe ndagå ikagia moko mahungo menyerera kamera
oera gå kå.
Aya, maybe the Borana girl, you can go back so that you pay the bills for Kavagara. No, with the husband here, you assist him to pay the Kavagara bill. You know Kavagara?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's actually one of the best maize flours.
Wow.
Yeah, we use it at home.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Even there in Marsabit, they have Kavagara.
Haijafika, would love them watulete.
Oh, nyinyi Kavagara, unajua huyu ni truthful. Amesema tamu ni kwenda nyumbani alafu anasema mupeleke. There is even half a kg, 1 kg and 2 kilos. But at least he brings it at home.
Yes, he does.
Wow, so you love Kavagara.
Yes.
You'd want us to take it to Marsabit.
Yes, please.
All right. Has he brought you pork from Farmer's Choice?
No.
Honey, niki utari urake ka honey how?
Yeah. Tell her so that she can hear from your mouth.
The best pork. Ni pork from Farmer's Choice. And he's a brand ambassador together with his darling wife Doria.
But was that necessary?
I know.
Msoenda huko.
Ibula amekupatia bombastic side.
Bana bajamediangalia. Unaona mlikuwa umenimiss. Hii challenge haikuwa nzuri kama nilikuwa Uraya. So it's Farmer's Choice.
Yes.
Pork, sausages, bacons, ukienda super.
Name them.
Bora ni Farmer's Choice.
Pork.
So now I'm Gladys. You can call me Miss Gladys. I would want him to put a very good song for you, and we are so happy for your couple. And yes, we finished the bills. Siaka Siaka. I don't know whether you've heard.
No, we can't do Siaka Siaka when we are wearing like this. We can look for any Borana song.
No, a romantic
song. Okay.
Siaka is not romantic.
Siaka, you can.
No. Us, we don't do that.
You stop sabotaging.
No. We want a romantic song. Huh?
I have one Borana, then I have one romantic.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is one romantic song.
Which one? He wants a romantic song.
I think, is it Motor? No, not Motoria.
The one we sing at house.
Yeah, but I've forgotten the artist.
The one you sing in the bed. What is
Motoria?
it called?
No, not Motoria.
Airosh.
Which
one? Maheni.
I think.
No.
Yes, Maheni.
Na wewe waku no kutoka roga matwanerere Jehova ni agarora.
She takes medicine.
Today she has not taken.
Hari ya Kirinyaga, that one.
Yeah, that's right.
Ni
Maheni magashobere.
Ni murachoma.
Hari ya gashobere, that one.
Yeah, nidirona Jesus. Now you guys can see. I can have your seats. The stage is ours.
The stage is yours.
Yeah.
So guys, ladies and gentlemen, in 0